Hello and good day everybody. The omelette Mont Poulard has become very famous in France and you might have heard about it in some countries. Take a small pan, add a few sprigs of thyme, add a crushed garlic and a good amount of butter. Warm up medium heat and we're just going to melt the butter to get an infusion of all these flavors. Once it's all melted, we're going to keep it aside. We're going to use 3 eggs and we're going to separate the white from the egg yolks. We're going to beat the egg whites first until it becomes a thick foam. So you can see it's not falling down, and we're also going to beat the egg yolks. You can choose to add a tablespoon of creme fraiche in there, but that's optional. I go for it because I like my omelette very creamy, and we continue to beat the egg yolk. So the egg yolk won't be as foamy and as stiff as the egg white. We just want it to be creamy. Now we're going to incorporate the egg yolk with the egg white. Then we're going to mix this very gently. Here we go. We're going to warm up the pan on medium heat. Add a good amount of our melted butter. You can be very generous with the butter. Very important for the omelette. And we're going to add our omelette in there. As soon as we put the omelette in there, lower the heat in between medium and low. Add a little bit of salt on top. Just needs a few minutes, not very long. And now we're going to fold the omelette. And I'm just going to add a little more of that butter over there. And here we got our fluffy and foamy omelette, La Mont Poulard. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you want to be informed on my future videos, please subscribe and hit that bell. And all that's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.